Ici stanpamshow nan Pawa, lem di Pawa, m'a parlé d'un type de dance, un type de activité que un pile moun organisé aux États-Unis. Bon, m'en pas dire un pile moun, yon groupe organisé aux États-Unis et c'est culture indienne, OK, que yo toujours essayer kembe et à travers Pawa ça a des danses que yo type de danse yo divisé en groupe. C'est la première fois que je vis un bail comme ça. Vraiment la première fois, c'est cool, c'est magnifique, c'est extraordinaire. Et stanpamshow voyager pour faire vivre plus de bagailles, ça qui existe à travers le monde et culture indienne que un peu le monde pas pratiquer en Haïti ou bien que nous t'avons parlé de l'école, mais nous par contre, je dis en nous, stanpamshow avec nous dans Pawa, OK? I'm Stanley Charles.
I'm Richard Grable.
Richard Grable. It's a pleasure to meet you.
I'm Simigay, Navajo Nation.
Oh, it's a pleasure to meet you. So I am very happy to be here. When I was coming here, I was like feeling this is something amazing to see. This is something that people need to see and maybe learn about it.
Yes, right.
So that's the reason. I have a couple questions to ask you because it's something I want to learn more about what it is exactly. So why people are doing Pawa exactly?
Well, we do it as part of our customs and traditions. This is just the way of life for us. And when we're dancing out there and they're singing, I mean, we're actually, it's like a prayer for us. It's a spiritual way of life for us.
Mm-hmm. Oh, great.
Yeah, great. And we dance for people that are unable to dance, and then for the veterans and our elders. And then also keeps us in touch with our culture, and then it's also to meet new people, have food, and have fun. That's what the Pawa is about. And we meet with different tribes, you know, and learn their culture. And at the end of the day, we have coffee, and it's like really good.
Oh my goodness, it's big fun. But how often you do it?
There's a Pawa going on every weekend throughout the whole year. So for us, you know, we've got the internet now, so we can punch a Pawa in, you know, to any state, country, you know, even Canada, where we can find out where Pawa is going, and we travel throughout.
Oh, great.
The America and Canada.
Yeah, because it keeps us connected to our culture and our traditions, and helps us remember our ancestors. You know, they suffered a lot so that we still have these customs traditions that were these were banned and outlawed for a long time here in the United States.
Oh, great! Something amazing.
Yes.
So here we are in Philadelphia City, right?
Philadelphia, Mississippi.
Philadelphia, Mississippi. So this is the only place we can find Pawa in United States, or there are other places in United States we can go to Pawa?
Oh, Pawas happen all over the United States. Just like Emerson was saying, you get on the internet, you go to powwows.com, punch in the state in a month. It'll show you anywhere in the United States and Canada where there's a powwow going on.
Great. So why do you think we need to invite people to join us in the Pawa? Why exactly? What is behind this? If I have to invite someone to come to a Pawa, why should I do it?
I guess to realize that we're still here as Native Americans, because we've been, you know, it is our own country, but a lot of people think that natives are gone, you know, and we want them to know that we are still here, and then we do have the spirituality for our culture. All different tribes have different spiritualities, and you know, there are people that ask me, what religion are you? I say, it's not religion, it's called spirituality. Like Sue and I'm Navajo, we're able to sit down and have coffee, and I'll learn about his culture, and he'll learn about my culture. And we'll shake hands and say, oh, that's cool. You know?
Amazing.
Yeah. And inviting people out here is an educational experience for them. And we just get to share and educate them. There's a lot of misconceptions about us, and we want to dispel those misconceptions so they know the truth about us.
Good. So it was Stanpam show. I was so happy to meet you guys. Thank you so much for sharing your experience and stuff with me. So I'm very happy, and I have to tell you that I got this. I bought it. The power is something that I will bring to my home.
Great.
So thank you so much. So thank you very much. So happy to talk to you.
Thank you.
Nous pas seulement venir dans Pawa, mais tout nous manger ensemble avec eux. C'est pas extraordinaire. OK? Quand nous faisons ça, on fait ça pour nous apprendre que ou pas isolé. Ou pas qu'être bail cap pratiquer avec le monde. On va dire qu'on a pays nous mais exister et nous besoin apprendre de eux.